I went into my junk pile.
My bad.
Thrillers. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. These are super magnums. Hold on. Those are pretty good. That's it right there. Oh, here we go. These are gonna be going off tonight. It's gonna be a good one. Black Widows. A little bit of everything in here, actually. Some half sticks. It's a thundercracker. If you know, you know. What the fuck do I have in here? Shit. And then here go the bigger stuff. If you know, you know. I lit most of them off yesterday. These things are equivalent to the gangsters. MAGAs. They're nasty. Crazy cold. Got a lot more in there.